If you want to free up storage space on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, if you scroll down, you can locate the storage option. And then in here, we can of course see how much storage is taken by specific categories, by specific data. So for example, if apps take lots of space, then of course you can open the list of apps. We can also see how much space they take. They are actually sorted by the amount of space taken, and then you can get rid of apps that you maybe not necessarily need anymore, that you don't use. You can also see, of course, other stuff as well. So for example, if you have lots of images and lots of videos, then naturally you can go into this list. Let's open with Files by Google. And you can get rid of stuff that you might not need anymore. This is essentially the best way to free up the storage space. Of course, if you remove something on this phone, most of this data is stored in a trash, and they are kept in trash for 30 days. After that, of course, they are removed permanently if you don't do anything with them. But if you want to speed up that process, if you are sure that you will not need to recover deleted files, then of course you can permanently remove them much quicker. And of course, this takes space until they are actually removed forever. And also we have the free up space option in here, which we can use. So if we choose Files by Google, then we'll open this section where we can get rid of junk files. We can also find duplicates and some other stuff as well. So you can use these suggestions in order to clean up the storage. And apparently there's also the storage manager over here, which we can use. Let's see if it actually works, if we will be able to do something, but it seems that it is actually not working at all. Yeah, so I guess it doesn't really work, at least not for me. Maybe in your case it will work, but you can of course try it out in your case. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.